Well, Uber has just launched a new way for drivers to make money, and it's by driving a party bus. You can't make this stuff up. Please thumbs up the video, guys. We're gonna get into how you can get started with this. Uber's moving into this direction with party buses, and yeah, could potentially make a ton of money and driving big groups of people. I know it's probably a little bit better than Uber Pool. So strap in, buckle up, get ready to learn. And firstly, I want to thank our sponsor, Current. Current is a mobile banking app that helps Uber and Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. You get paid on your cash fill-ups. As you can see here, you get paid every single time you fill up gasoline. You get money when you fill up your gas tank, or you put money in your account. It grows at a 4% interest rate, which is really good. It's all free. There's no credit checks, none of that BS. Just sign up, get started in minutes, and check out the link below. Okay, so listen to this, my friends. Uber's getting into the party bus business. Very interesting. I'm guessing because, you know, I don't want to get into it, but the whole illness is, you know, people are going out more. Let's just put it that way. People are going out more. Vegas is packed. You know, LA is packed. All the clubs are packed again. I remember when it was so, like, all the clubs were shut down and, you know, whatever. Clubs are back. It's crazy. And Uber's taking advantage. Uber's trying to milk their dollars from every corner of the internet, or the life. Listen to this. Dallas partygoers won't have, this is on Dallas Morning News on MSN.com. Dallas partygoers won't have to worry about how to find a charter bus for the next group event. Starting Thursday, they can order one on their Uber apps. You can order a party bus on your Uber app. Woo! Now, keep in mind, this is just in Dallas, so it's probably not everywhere yet, but maybe it could expand. Through a partnership with US Coachways, a nationwide bus service that originated in New York City, Dallas, Fort Worth, and Houston travelers are the first who can rent a charter through Uber. So you have to sign up through US Coachways if you want to be a party bus person through Uber. The option will roll out to other cities in the coming months. And I assume, you know, they're gonna allow Uber drivers to buy their own buses and, you know, deck out. I've seen so many drivers, by the way, have crazy lights in their car. You know, some people even have disco balls. Like, our Facebook group is popping. People got snacks back here, they got drinks, they got Red Bulls. Like, they're providing all this stuff for free. Some people are charging for it. Guys, remember when you used to have the cargo box right here? Charge people for gum? That was so funny. That company went, well, they didn't go belly up, but now they're doing ads, those ad things on the top of the car. But yeah, so I don't know. I know some people have these LED lights and flashing. I always thought that was like dangerous. Like other cars seeing like flashing strobe lights. I'm like, is that legal? Is that technically legal? Is Uber like that? So I don't know, but they're getting into the business. And again, it's like not set in stone, but they're starting to, guys. And I can just imagine you can go get a van and, you know, deck it out, Uber party bus, ain't taking 10, 15, 20 passengers at once, because, you know, Uber really hasn't gotten into the group, like, transportation thing. And you guys know airport pickups, there's so many van charter services where they're picking up 15, 20 people, dropping them all off. And, you know, Uber, you know, maybe they'll let people do that with their vans. Or even their Escalades that can hold, you know, like 10 people. I don't know how many. I know Escalades have like 3 rows. I guess that holds like 7 people, but still. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Would you be interested in being an Uber party bus driver? Maybe. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. And check out the link below for Current, where they'll pay you as an Uber Lyft driver up to 2 days faster. No fees on overdraft. You go negative, $200. You get paid when you fill up gasoline. This is all free, no credit checks, nothing. Sign up for Current down below, make a deposit, get paid 4% interest on your savings. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.